guys. Okay, the first thing I did was I drew the shape of the that I want for the banner. So after I draw it, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. Cut it out, it will leave me with this. So once I'm there, what I did was I cut out my letters. Remember, I always tell you that you could get your letters a Dollar Tree. You could always print it out from Google. That's the easy way to do it. And then use double-sided tape. Double-sided tape on each thing, and then glue it to the middle. I already showed you guys how to do banners, so that's why I'm not doing like putting myself a lot into it. If you guys do that, just go ahead and make a hole right here with a hole punch and a hole, and then just put the string to it, and that will be it for the banner. Now I also have these cute little trees that I'm gonna do for my table setup, and they have these at Dollar Tree. So basically what I did, I bought this, and then I just put some chocolate inside the jar. This you can also buy like a little tag and hang a little tag in it that says we love, and you can give it to somebody and it will look super cute. So in Dollar Tree they have hearts, and it's $1 and it comes mixed with pink and red. So what I'm doing with that is I just took a hot glue gun and I just took a few hearts, and then I just put a little bit of glue in there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the middle like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it like that. So then it will leave me with these cute little jars that you have right there. So the next step that I did, I bought this jar in Dollar Tree. I took an empty jar, and then I'm gonna just attach it at the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it around there. So what I did, I put some hot glue gun. Some hot glue, not hot glue gun, some hot glue, and then I'm just gonna put it right there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it. And that will leave me with this. They also have the same way they have the little heart. They have these little saying like love and kisses. So I did the same thing. Just put a little hot glue in there and put it right there. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna do hearts in the middle. Perfect. Hearts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside. There's a little heart, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the middle right here. And that's how I did my little setup. What I did was these cute ones. So what I did with this one was the heart, and I just hot glued them the same way I showed you how to hot glue these. I just attach it to the thing, and then I just took a mason jar and I spray painted it. And then they also have the big heart and the small heart. So I bought the big one, and I bought the small one. Then I just hot glue it to the pink one, and to the base, and it gave me these cute little centipedes. And then I had these little jars. I just put juice, put a heart, and then put a heart underneath, and then put this cute straw, and that makes a perfect decor for your birthday. So what I did with this one, I just took a wine glass and put a little heart here. I put a cupcake and